Studying at university is one of the most exciting, interesting, and ultimately rewarding experience you'll ever have. Sometimes it can be tricky to manage your time, money, and workload. Fortunately, Griffith offers a wide range of support services to help students navigate their study journey and to help them stay on track. To talk more about support options that are available, I'm joined by Alicia. Hi Alicia, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Now, during your studies with Griffith, you've had access to a few of the support services, including IT.
So when I first started, I needed access to all of the online platforms. So I did access the services of IT just to help me get set up to make sure I was ready to go from day one.
And they were helpful and easy to access?
Very helpful, very accessible, especially obviously studying remotely.
What about study support? Did you receive any sort of hints and tips along the way? Were you able to access anything from Griffith University?
Griffith's online platform is fantastic in terms of the tools available to you to get help with referencing, all of the other support tools that you need to be able to continue your study journey with Griffith.
What about when you're submitting your assignments?
Absolutely. So I suppose being new to university study, having those extra support tools where you can submit assignments and get feedback on those assignments and be able to finalise them and update them and be able to submit them knowing that you're comfortable with your work is really fantastic.
What were the networking opportunities and things that you may have had that were of benefit to you in there?
Studying remotely, it's one of those things where you may think that you're not going to have those networking opportunities that you would if you were doing it face-to-face, but my experience with the study was that those opportunities were available, and it was fantastic because a lot of those people in those groups have similar industry experience or varying industry experience that they can share within a collaborative environment that is studying remotely.
When you were networking with your peers, you mentioned a lot of them were from across a range of different industries and they had a range of different experience. So you were able to learn different aspects of how to apply the study. Did that help?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, there's definitely a lot of opportunity, especially in group assignments, that I found that you're being able to share that experience with others, and it's really valuable.
What about your course convener? How were they to interact with? Did they provide support to you as well as you were going through your study?
First of all, I mean, they've got industry experience, so that's a huge benefit for them to be able to share their own experiences as well and their learnings. They were very accommodating in terms of understanding that we, as postgraduates, also not only studying but dealing with full-time employment as well as personal circumstances and families, and they're very accommodating in that respect and very supportive.
You'd actually taken a little break from study, and so how easy was that, and were you able to connect with one of our support services that could provide you with a bit of advice around it?
Yeah, so Student Connect were fantastic. So coming into this year, I did decide to defer my study just for a trimester, just so I could focus on starting a new role. So I was able to go through student services and they were able to provide a leave of absence. It was a very easy process and it allowed me to juggle that work and study.
It's great that you were actually able to take advantage of a number of the different support services that we've got available to you at Griffith, but there are a range of opportunities and support services out there that you probably didn't get to take advantage of or didn't actually need.
There was always a range of support services that were available, including career advice that I knew was available via the platform, and we received regular emails with what those tools and resources were that were available.
It's great that Griffith will communicate lots of the other different support services we have available. Some of those are health counselling and wellbeing. We've also got equity and diversity, and also accessibility and disability services that are available to all our students.
Yeah, so as a student, you really do feel supported. There's lots of services available, even if you don't need to access them, you know that they're there for your study journey.
Thanks so much for your time, Alicia.
Thanks, Rachel, for having me.